Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the outlet and extension board ratings. This prevents overloads and fire risk. Once done, inspect the extension board for frayed wires, cracked casing, or loose sockets so you won't plug into a damaged device. Make sure the main switch or circuit breaker is off before you proceed. Safety first. You'll also remove nearby liquids and secure a dry, stable position for the board. This reduces trip hazards and maintains a safe working environment while you connect. You next arrange devices by power draw, plug heavy appliances directly into the wall, and use the extension board for low-draw items. This balances the load and prevents tripping breakers. Once done, plug the extension's male plug fully into the outlet, ensuring a snug fit. A loose connection causes heat. Make sure cords run untangled and are not under rugs or furniture. If the board includes surge protection, orient critical devices to it to guard against spikes. You finish by restoring power. First switch on the circuit breaker, then the extension board switch to avoid inrush surges. Once done, confirm the board's indicator lights and plug in devices one at a time to make sure each functions properly. This reveals any hidden faults. Make sure the board stays cool. Some warmth is normal, but hot surfaces or burning smells are not. If you see smoke, hear arcing, or feel excessive heat, unplug immediately and troubleshoot, or replace the board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.